What's up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. We had quite a rocky weekend in the crypto space, but we're making a little bit of a comeback here. We're bouncing back to the upside over here, and hopefully we can see some bullish continuation. So in this video, we're looking at my sort of 5 favorite picks for this particular week, if you want to call it that, in the crypto space. And you know, there are a couple gems here that I think could potentially go up more. And I remember, this isn't financial advice, and if you're new here, do subscribe. We're about to talk about it, these tokens here. So right now we've got a 50 on the fear and greed index, even though we just had that bad news that recently happened. We've had a lot of bad things happen in the world over the last week. You know, we're still holding fairly strong here on the fear and greed side of things. And I have to say, because the proof is in the pudding, guys, get into my Discord. It's free to join down below. People are making some insane wins from our smart money calls, from our on-chain follows, and all the analysis and buy and sell signals we are putting in my group. It's free to join. Check it out down below, Jacob's Crypto Clan. Now, first token is going to be ETH. And I know you could say, well, this is a bit boring, isn't it? Just Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is doing something very interesting at the moment. On that weekly time frame, it is holding really well, and it's very well holding this diagonal support here. We can see we're starting to form a bit of an ascending triangle, which could lead to a bullish breakout to the upside. I'm still long and bullish on Ethereum, and I think, you know, Ethereum hasn't really had a good shot at trying to get back to its all-time high, even its local high at $4,000. So I do want to see it poke back through $3,000. That is effectively what I'm hoping for. So we've got a $317 billion market cap for Ethereum. You can see on the week here, up 5%. On the day, it's up 4%. And on the month, it's up on average now 6%. So I think we could break away. And what happens when you get these tight windows of consolidation is, you get a big move to the upside. You usually get a big bounce. It happened before. We consolidated sideways for a long time, and then we saw this massive pump, and now we're sort of consolidating again. We're going sideways. It's been a while going sideways as well. We can see we've been trading for 40 days. 40 days between 2.2 and 2.8K. So it's becoming a bit of a norm. It's becoming a little bit boring at this particular region. Now, if we do break out, expecting to see around $3,000 to $3,200, which could be a nice little take profit region here for anyone getting into Ethereum. Of course, it could also go south. It could go short. So this isn't me trying to predict the future or anything like that, but that's coin number one, Ethereum. Of course, you can buy Ethereum using some of the exchanges we have down below, such as Bitchinix, which are doing a massive $8,000 giveaway right now. You can sign up in just seconds. Next coin in this video is Mixie AI, $17 million market cap, $1 million of liquidity. Currently trading at 0.051. Now, I did call this into my group at 0.01. So yeah, they had the chance to make 10x. We called it down here. 800% gains was made. And right now, anyone's still holding in my Discord because, you know, we got them in early. I can show you this thread right here. Mixie AI. Scroll to the top. Boom. We first called this on the 3rd of June. So this is 13 days later. People are up 5x, guys. So this is another benefit of my Discord group that you should check out down below. But I'm honestly seeing a great recovery, and it has hit like a take profit region, but I'm actually feeling like this might go higher. So this is Mixie AI. I'm going to drop a link to the website down below. It's a beautiful website. It says create, connect, scale. Mixie is awesome. Powered by AI over here. It says Mixie isn't just a tool, it's the bridge between blockchain and TradeFi, providing the rails and resources that amplify Web3 and blockchain, you know, in a way that's never been seen before. So yeah, pretty awesome. The vault of opportunities they describe themselves as, and I really like what I'm seeing so far. So here's Mixie with 38.2k followers, and they're just dropping some little tweets every now and then. I think there's something potentially big coming on the way. They're getting a lot of engagement, a lot of likes, and it has been pretty much onwards and upwards. June 14 saw a 35% upwards day, so I think it's potentially possible to see our next take profit target, you know, reached, which is around 30% move to the upside. But again, guys, these coins are volatile. They are low market cap. It could easily just fall back down to this support region at the same time. So this is why we never go too heavy into these coins. But, you know, if you got fun tokens, if you got FU money and you want to like put it somewhere, potentially this could be a good one. I will leave the charts link down below to Mixie. It is a Salana chain token, by the way. But yeah, really cool, really like it. And you can see it says fan account for Mixie, follow and set alerts for updates and information about the Mixie ecosystem. So this might not even be the actual legit one, but when I do look at Mixie here, on the charts, that's the Twitter that we're seeing. But let's quickly do it together. Let's find their legit one. It just says Mixie update, so it's still a fan account. This is the official one that we're seeing here, even on the website. So that makes me wonder, is that going to be something official? Like, are they going to drop an official X or something? Really interested to see anyway what's going to happen there. Next up, we have Seaxi, which is 4 hours out on its ICO. They've raised $52.4 million here. One SolX 0.001764. This is a Salana layer 2, which helps scale Salana. Now, we know how big Salana is. You can see here, SolX crypto presale, world's first Salana layer 2, launching on major exchanges. So it says Seaxi crypto presale, the Salana layer 2. Infinite scale, best meme, multi-chain compatibility. What Seaxi does is it helps scale Solana, and with the network problems it gets already, like congestion, failed transactions, scalability limitations, and also amplifies the strengths of Solana at the same time. So another one I'm really bullish on, boys and girls. You've got to check it out. $52 million raise is no joke. This gives them a lot of cash flow for hopefully big exchange listings. So some key updates: $62 million worth of SolX tokens were burnt just recently. And they are also doing a massive $35,000 giveaway. As you can see right here, they're doing a 25K USDC giveaway, as well as a $5,000 dedicated pot, which is live now until June 30. So if you want to try out on a giveaway, see if you can get lucky, details are indeed down below. Coin number 4 we've got here is Solana, $156 at the moment. If you're bullish on the rest of this bull market, then Solana still has space to pop up to the upside, maybe even $200 again, maybe more. I honestly don't know, but I still think Solana, in terms of its fundamental value here, being such a big Web3 infrastructure, giant, giga giant, and if we have a meme season, if we have an alt season, it's all because of Solana, right? And everything is going on Solana. It's such a big chain now. I think, in 10 years' time, in a decade, this will be at the stability perhaps of Ethereum, depending on its tokenomics and supply schedule and how inflationary the ecosystem is. But yeah, this is a big one, and I do see this as one day being as a stable $1,000+ trading token. So Solana is one that I'm going to be holding for a long period of time, and I will for sure be accumulating a lot of when we are in the bear market. I think it's like buying Ethereum back, 5 years ago, when it actually had big upside. So Solana is one I would be looking at in the bear market to capitalize and buy a lot of Solana and hold for a long period of time. That's a big strategy I'll be playing. Yeah, so Solana, of course, 3% on the week, we're up 8% on the day, we're down on the month, just about $82.5 billion on the market cap over here. So still looking pretty hot, pretty sweet. If you like Solana, if you like those top coins that still have potential, this could be one. Next up, we have Uniswap. If you think Uniswap is a good project, think again. It's a great project. It's just flawed by tokenomics a little bit. You can see actually in 2021, it hit a $21 billion market cap. But if you believe Ethereum will climb and grow, then for sure, I'm hoping to see some growth here with Uniswap at the same time. We're up 21% on the week. We're up 7% on the day. We're up 30% on the month. Year on year, we're still chasing $18, so we're still pretty far away. But I do think we'll have a good crack at $10 again. Maybe even push through to $15, $20 again for the one and only, best DEX and most historically OG DEX in the crypto space, Uniswap, guys. I mean, of course, PancakeSwap's there too, but for ERC20, it's going to be Uniswap. So let's not forget about this gem, just because there's other things to talk about in the market now. So yeah, boys and girls, crypto fam, I want you to subscribe. Check out my Patreon down below if you're really serious about crypto and you want to expand in the crypto space and learn how to grow your crypto portfolio. We've only got 3 Crypto Legends slots available if you want to check it out. We're going to get all the trade signals, buy and sell signals, early alphas, and all the juicy stuff there. And yeah, guys, just to quickly reevaluate the video, we had coin number 1 as Ethereum. We had coin number 2 as Mixie, coin number 3 as Seaxi, coin number 4 as Solana, and coin number 5 as Uniswap. So hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out Bitchinix if you're looking for a really nice, no KYC exchange with low fees that you can use anywhere in the world, currently giving away bonuses. And do check out my Patreon should you wish to achieve time, like locational freedom, and also, I guess, financial freedom. We're doing our best. We'll see you soon. Peace.